Hello, friends. Today is our Class 25. Today, we will learn about clipping mask in Adobe Illustrator. First, look at the bottom of the toolbar. You will see 3 options. These are also types of clipping masks. First option, Normal Draw. This is the Normal Draw option. Look at this. We create one shape. Now, when we create another shape, it is made on top of the first shape like this. No matter how many shapes we create, every new shape will appear on top of the previous one. Second option, Draw Behind. Now let's look at the second option, which is Draw Behind. Click on it. Now create one shape, then create another shape. You will see that the new shape is created behind the first shape. Whenever you create a new shape in this mode, it will always be created underneath the previous shapes. Third option, Draw Inside. Now let's look at the next option, which is Draw Inside. When we click on it, you will see a border appear around the selected shape. Now, if we create any new shape, it will appear only inside that border. Any extra part of the shape that goes outside will be hidden automatically. Using this option, we can create any type of design inside the shape. This is also a very useful type of clipping mask. Look at this image. We want to fit this image inside a shape, so we will use a clipping mask. Always remember, the shape must be on top of the image. Place the shape over the image, then select both the shape and the image. Now, right-click with the mouse and click on Clipping Mask. As soon as you do this, the image will be converted into the shape. If we want to convert one image into more than one shape, first select all the shapes. Then, right-click and click on Make Compound Path. Now, also select the image together with the compound shape. After that, right-click again and click on Clipping Mask. The image will be converted into all 3 shapes at the same time.